Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you block someone into Facebook. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Facebook application and select the person that you want to block. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the application, just simply go to your friend list or the person's profile that you want to block. And after going to the profile of the person, just simply click to this three dot into the right side. Step 2. Block the person. Now after coming to the profile setting of the person, just simply click to this block option here and click to block option again to confirm you are blocking the person. By following these very easy steps, you can easily block anyone into your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video till the end.